Hi everyone, this is Adam at Stretch Your English. I'm here to share resources and ideas for teachers of English to speakers of other languages. In this video, I'll be sharing an idea which I call my Teaching Toolbox. It's basically a wall on the popular presentation website Padlet.com which you can duplicate and edit. And the idea behind it is that you can keep all of your favourite websites and various online tools in one place. Now, why is this any different from having a list of your favourite websites for teaching or having your favourites list in your web browser? Well, hopefully if you have a Padlet wall, it just makes it a bit easier to share your favourite applications or websites with your peers. And for me as well, it's a bit more user-friendly having all my favourite websites on one page as well. So, as usual, the link to a template for this Padlet wall is in the description below this video. So after this video, if you click the link to Padlet wall, then the Padlet wall will open in your browser. So as you can see here in my Teaching Toolbox, I've just got a handful of some favourite websites of mine which I tend to use either regularly or websites which I haven't used that much but I want to experiment with a little bit more in the future. And of course, if you do want to use one of these in a lesson, if you want to use the dictionary, for example, you can simply click here and it will open on a new page in your browser. So if you like this idea, what you can do is first of all log in or sign up to Padlet.com, another fantastic, really simple to use tool which I recommend to all teachers. So let's click log in, and you can either log in with your pre-existing account or create one. When you are logged into Padlet.com with your account, you will notice if you look at this Padlet wall again, we now have an icon which says remake. So we can click remake and we have an option. We can copy the design, so you'll simply just get essentially a red screen with My Teaching Toolbox as the title. Or if you want, you can copy it with posts. So if you do want to share some of your favourite posts with others, then you can. So you click whichever you want to do, either the basic design or with the posts as well, so with all of these recommended links and websites, and click submit. And it's as simple as that. So you'll see that we're now in a remake of My Teaching Toolbox. If we hit the settings icon at the top right of the screen, you can change the title and as much as you want, really. So let's change the name of it. And then when you do want to start adding some of your favourite resources, websites, other online tools, just double click anywhere on the screen and you can enter a title. So for example, dictionary. And then with this icon here, we can add the link. So then you can just add the website address for your preferred resource or website, and there we have it. And you'll notice on mine as well, what I've done is I've added a couple of titles just so I can group some of these online resources and websites together. So again, I could just add a title here, for example, editing. Let's maybe space that along a little bit and maybe change the color of it as well so it stands out a bit more. There we go. And then what I can do in future is if I have any websites which can help me or help my learners to edit their work and check for mistakes and things like that, I can add them under the editing icon. Now, as I said at the start, you might want to share your Teaching Toolbox with your peers. If that's the case, you have a wide range of options that all begin with this icon here, share. So here we can change the privacy, for example, so we can look at who can read the posts, who can write, edit them, and so on. Read, write, edit. If, however, you want to simply share this Padlet wall for another to remake, you can keep the privacy as secret and can read. And then if you copy the link to the clipboard, so that just means the link is now copied, you can paste that into an email, send it to your colleague, and they can remake this wall using the same process that you've just seen in this video. In my next video, I'll be sharing my second interactive lesson activity, which I call Conversations and Collocations. It's built with Genially again, And I will also be sharing a template for this next activity too, so you can create your own. So stick around and check that out too. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out stretchyourenglish.com. You can also have a look at my Instagram account or contact me directly, stretchyourenglish@gmail.com. Have a good one. See you next time.